everybody. I dressed up my cat, Oliver, and this is what she looks like. And remember, no cats were harmed in the making of this video. Say hi, Kitty. Okay, Kitty, I gotta get under here to see you. Ta-da! Let's look at you. Kitty, put your head up. I need to see you. Ta-da! Got a poofy hat on. Thank you, everybody. Hello, you fellow students, and this is another episode of What My Cat Wears. Today's episode, the Jedi Knight. Ba 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 na 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 da na 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 na. Look at this pointy. Na 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 na. Wait just a second, folks. I need to put it on her again. Na 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 na. Today's episode 3 to be exact, is What My Cat Wears. Today's episode, yeehaw, cowboys! Here she comes, railing the range. Say hi, kitty. Yeehaw! I'm a kitty, and I am a very fancy kitty. Kitty, look at me. Thank you, everybody. Episode of What Cat Wears is a Christmas episode. See that? Oh, Kitty, wait a second. Okay. There we go. Merry Christmas. Wait a second.
Ho, 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 ho,
Ooh,
ho.
ooh, ooh.
We wish you